In this video, we have Dragon's Breath, the next version. Turns out the previous version split in half. Yeah, that's no good. So it is time for the updated next version. How do you think it's going to do, James? Our victims today, we're still hitting the same truck that we've been hitting. We have a milk carton that'll be fun to hit. We have a metal can, and we have the body from the truck. So between these four things, we expect we will be having a lot of fun. And then just to be clear, my son and I will be leaving the cameras here in the garage, and we will be on the other side of the wall as we're driving it. All right, testing first time with the new Dragon's Breath. You gotta line it up right, take those wheels off. Oh, that looked good. Oh, is that the camera laying back? Oh, I saw a part go flying. There's parts just everywhere. Get that can.
I saw that hunk of metal. Did you see that? Oh! 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 Full backflip. Did you see that? Oh! Yes! That is the type of destruction I am looking for. Must have hit one of the really hard parts on that. Oh! Oh, look at the sparks!
Hit something metal.
Oh!
Oh, we knocked our whole thing off again, James. Stop.
Oh shoot, that was the camera.
It's still recording. You just got hit by a, there it is right there.
Yeah.
It hit it on the lens.
How high is that?
No, that's not bad.
Oh, get it. Come on. Oh.
Oh, pieces.
Oh,
Nice one. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh, did you see it go?
I don't know what that was, now we're flying.
Gosh. Oh. Come on, those tires are so close. Hit it, hit it.
Oh man, that was absolutely awesome. Well, I think we're gonna officially call this done. I mean, this thing is an absolute Hulk. I mean, there's literally, it's split apart. You can see the diff case, the drive shaft has been blown out of it. As an example of the power, here's where, over here you can see how smooth this is. It just hit so hard that it literally cranked that plastic all the way down in there and left a tooth impression. The whole front drive shaft is, I mean, the whole front differential is about to fall off. The whole thing's just there floppy.
No
All
tires,
the shocks,
no wheels.
the tires, I mean, everything. Like, dude, I don't know, James, what do you think? Was that fun?
That was awesome. We have a pile of trash over there and like a mountain of parts in the trash can over there.
We didn't break this chassis at all this time. We stripped a couple screws in the top, but otherwise this thing survived beautifully, which means,
There's a lot of scratches on this now.
yeah, look, we scratched up the front a lot here somehow.
Battle scars.
So it's time to hit something else. We need your help. We don't know what else to hit. So I'm not gonna just willy-nilly waste a bunch of RC cars unless they deserve it. Like this truck deserved it because it was bad when we reviewed it. But like, what else should we hit? Give us some comments down below in the video description. Give us some ideas. Maybe we can hit them. What do you think, James?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, folks. Goodbye.